morning, guys. So the car has not been touched since Weekfest because honestly, jam packing the car, painting everything, the kit, putting the wheels on, the tires on in those 4 days kind of made me not want to work on the car at all after Weekfest. So the car has pretty much been looking like this since then. I didn't want to drive the car home with the wheels on it because I don't know, it felt like it took a lot of work to get the car to where it is now, and I didn't want to just bust it up driving it home. And I took off the kit and everything just so it was one less thing to worry about, because we haven't drove the car pretty much anywhere since we did the engine swap. We did a drift event, but I haven't drove the car long distance, so it was kind of its first trek, or its major trek. But now that I know that the engine is solid, I feel pretty confident driving the car around. So I'm just gonna put everything together and then let's take this car out. Website. We have these goodbye ones. They're alive right now. carshopboom.com.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing till she sliding both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she want mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die.
I'm pretty sure that I set it to ride height, but I feel like the back is pretty good fitment. The front is so ugly though. I haven't ever really dialed in the ride fitment in or to make sure that everything clears. So when I ran it to San Jose, I had to run it super high because I didn't know what cleared and what didn't. But I want to dial the front in because this is so ugly. So update on the 240, the car is all put back together, but now it leaks oil. So it's coming from the oil pump. There's an O-ring over there. So we already went ahead and ordered all the parts.
Right here, we got it. This is pretty much everything that we need to fix her car, or at least to get it to stop leaking oil. So this is the timing belt replacement kit. We have the seal too that we're gonna replace. Water pump and all that stuff is all in here. We just thought that maybe because we're gonna take the whole front apart anyway, we might as well do all this stuff because we don't know if it's ever been done, and it doesn't take much, or like it doesn't cost much for us to do it ourselves. So since we have it apart, we're gonna do all of this stuff. So yeah. Did you break my mirror?
No. What happened?
Did you break it?
No.
Who broke my mirror?
The cat. Oh, the cat probably did it.
Who did this? Anyway, we actually have a couple more packages. So if you guys heard in the last video where we took her car to San Jose Weekfest, it was actually overheating. So one of the things that we're gonna do to combat that is add in an oil cooler, as well as some other things. But we hit up Maxpeedingrods, they sent out their oil cooler. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. Maybe not in this video, but this will be an installation video as well. But they also sent out their new turbo. This is not gonna be for that car, unfortunately, at least not yet. These are higher quality, made with custom billet wheels, highly durable. These turbos are probably gonna be the best bang for your buck if you're on a budget build. So make sure you guys go check them out. I'll have all the links down in the description. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these turbos. Like I said, we have the 2J outside. We also have a KA that we have sitting. So who knows, we might be putting this on something soon. But in the meantime, let's get Christine's car running. Somebody broke this coming this way.
It probably was me then. Sorry.
That's crazy because I accidentally broke your bumper in half. Okay, ready?
Yes. So this is the oil cooler that we got.
Yeah, this is the oil cooler right here.
What color did we get?
I think it's silver.
Silver?
Yeah. So these are your AN lines. I believe they're a -10. This is the adapter plate right here. So Christine's car was overheating. So this is one of the steps that we're gonna take to combat heat on her car. Get her mini intercooler. We're gonna have this. Then the lines are gonna run off of it. I ordered you the Spider-Man lines.
Thank you.
So we have to figure out a place to mock this up.
No, on top of this part.
Yeah, I think it'll have to go there because.
Okay.
I mean, like, you see mine's is. It's in between the intercooler. Sorry, my car is turbo. So I have mine standing straight up and down like this to save space. But I think that we could fit. Oh, it fits perfect like that.
Oh yeah.
So maybe we'll just mount it straight to this frame rail right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. And then it gives us space for the condenser to go there too. Because like I said, we're still gonna put AC in this car eventually. As long as we can manage the temperature in this engine bay, it should be no issue having AC in here.
Yeah, and I have to put the engine stuff back together. I kind of want to paint it and then put the covers back to make it look a little bit better.
Yeah, well, as soon as we start tearing it apart to change out the timing button on that and change out the manifold gaskets, all of this stuff can be repainted and redone. So.
Okay. Oh, we're also filming this video on the iPhone 14. We just got it.
Oh yeah,
so we're
Christine
checking it
just
out.
got the brand new iPhone, guys.
I feel like it looks really good so far.
So it's kind of exciting because it's like a. If you guys notice, sometimes we film with our iPhone just because it's more convenient. Like when we go to street fashion and stuff like that, you know, we don't want to bust up the big camera, so we bring out our iPhones and we just film little clips here and there. So it's pretty exciting to see like how far the camera game has come.
Yeah, because we're using an iPhone 11, and it feels like it's so much better.
Watch this. My car's gonna start. Alright guys, so here's the plan for this car, alright? First things first, I do need to drop the rear subframe so that way I can put in the solid bushings that I've had for over a year now. But there's not really much else that I need to do to this car, really. I just need a bodywork and paint it and then call it a day. It runs fine, it's tuned on the chip tune.
Yeah, it runs really good.
Yeah, so...
You should just register it and just drive it around.
Yeah, but... I don't know, it's really loud and obnoxious and... I have a cooler car coming that we can drive in the street. So.
Wow, what kind of car you got?
Don't show them the car behind you. Don't show them. Surprise. Sneak peek. I don't know if she showed you, but this thing dumps oil, especially when it's turned on. So yeah, we gotta get us all fixed. I'm pretty stoked about it. Yeah. You wanna tell them about your shirt?
So these are the new shirts that we have on the website. It says "Ya buy," and then it's also in the back.
So as you guys know, Emits is my favorite wheel. Boom! So we made an Emit tee, just like we made a Minerva tee for Christine. So if you guys are interested to support the channel, make sure you guys go ahead and head to the website. Link will be in the description. Cop some merch.